Hello Cancer, welcome to my channel. This is your December 2020 love readings for the month of December. So these are general readings, not all messages might resonate Cancer, so keep whatever resonates. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check other videos as well Cancer. So let's start. We'll take up, past, present and future cards, 3 card spread, and we'll clarify it. So let's start here. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, universe and guides, give me 3 cards. Past, present and future spread for Cancer for the month of December. Past, present and future spread for the month of December. Last shuffle. 3 cards. Past, present and future spread for Cancer in the month of December. The world. So in the past something has ended. 3 of Swords. So in the present heartbroken, and in the future Queen of Wands. So in the past this is something ended, a cycle ended, a relationship, that was a ending. This is the card of ending. Now we'll clarify it. In the present situation, you are going through some heartbreak here. Some of you are going, or some of you will be going through a heartbreak in December. Disappointment, betrayal, cheated, all that. This has caused, it could be third party situations, love triangle for some of you here. And this is your present, and in the future we see Queen of Wands. So this is like somebody coming back to your life, maybe a fire sign, or you will be in that energy. So we'll clarify it. So let's clarify first the World card. Let's please clarify the World card in the past energies. Spirits and guides, universe and guides, please guide. Let's clarify, please clarify the World card. So let's start here. The Queen of Cups, so Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio with the Taurus. So there was commitment issues here with what I get here with this past energies. Your person wasn't committed to you. Maybe they were committed elsewhere with this energy. That what I get here. Queen of Cups could be your basically, or your person could be married. That's what I see here. Because Hierophant is a card also, of married. Your person could be married or wanting to marry in their community. That also could be a reason, that is the vibe that I get. But this relationship ended, something has ended here. You are still trying to now gain balance, with this the breakup that has happened or ended. You went through a difficult period, but you trying to, with this Queen of Cups here, you were at crossroads, you didn't know what to do, but you are still trying to balance yourself. You are in the process of healing. You are doing some spiritual practices for healing also. That's what I get. You did in your past, sorry. So that's what I get here. Or a Taurus person could have, could help you in healing, either showing you the spiritual path, or you practicing yoga, meditation, other things to heal yourself or regain your balance that you have been doing in the past here. So let's see the present here. 3 of Swords. So you are feeling cold, left out, there are communications issue here, third party issues here, love triangle for some of you. 3 of Swords, disappointment, heart, it's like cheating, betrayal with this 3 of Swords here. So please clarify in the present energies. 3 of Swords, please clarify in the current energies. 3 of Swords. So 7 of Cups in reverse with the 6 of Swords. So It seems that you do not, you are heartbroken because you still want this person, you still want this relationship. They could be any sign, but earth energies, or Scorpio, Taurus, Leo and Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, again Taurus. But you are confused to how to go about, what to do, how to start the communication here. That's what I get. You want to still get victorious with this situation. Six of Wands is a card of victory. You are trying to get attention, or you are trying to give attention to your person, but that's not working out in the present energies here with this, because maybe your person is confused, your person is indecisive, or you are confused how to go about, how to take action, so that this victorious situation still can be achieved. You still in love with this person, and you still want to be, you want this attention from them, but it seems it's not working out in present energies. That's what I see here. So you do not know how to go about this situation, but you want to get victorious. You want this person in your life, you want commitment with them. And some of you are also trying to get attention from your person. Maybe you're messaging them, texting them, that's what I see here. Or maybe you're taking a trip to see them, that could also be there. But it seems still confusion is there, and things are not working with that. Your person may not be very communicative. Even if they are, it's very restricted, so something went, something not working out here still, although you want this relationship here. So next, let's see the future. December. Queen of Wands. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Why is the Queen of Wands here? Please clarify, spirits and guides, angels and guides. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Okay, so let's see here. Nine of Wands and the Sun in reverse. So in the, I feel here that you could be dealing with an ex here in the future. There are, there could be an ex coming back. I see them coming back here. Queen of Wands with the Nine of Wands, this is a situation who has been hurt. So maybe there will be some communications, where you might be talking, or that's what here. But or you will communicate, but one person will be still holding back. That could be your, you could be exchanging messages, but it will not be an open kind of messages, the romantic, the love messages. One person will still hold the emotions here. Maybe your person will still hold on with the emotions. They are not going to show you emotions, although there will be communication happening between you and your person here. You could be dealing with fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and with the Sun in the reverse also shows that some of you definitely with communication or coming together, but not that opening up, and some of you still being holding back and is stuck in this situation. That's what I get in this spread in this month of December. Still you will be in that energy. So you'll still be in dark with the Sun in reverse. There is no clarity coming in December. But you will still try to work out, I feel here. Let's see a likely outcome. So what could be the likely outcome of the relationship of Cancer with that person? What could be the likely outcome? So Wheel of Fortune in reverse, the Chariot, Cancer, this is your card. So yeah, it's waiting. It's some of you in you're waiting for the right time with the Wheel of Fortune here. Long distance relationship. It could be third party situations for some of you here. Still waiting here. Waiting for that. You want to take forward movement, but it's stuck here. That's what I get. Yes, with time, things will change, but not in December. That's what I get. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.